Hola everyone! Sanira Fletcher here. I'm going to show you how to make your bracket for Mania Musical in Google Classroom. So these are not yet posted, but you will see them posted in your Google Classroom if you're watching this video. So here we have Mania Musical info, which just has all the slides that I showed you in class describing Mania Musical. Mania Musical bracket is where you're going to actually make your decision about who you think is going to move on to each round, and you're going to predict your winner. Mania Musical Songs has links to all of the songs so you can listen to them to make your decision. So I already have the bracket and the songs open. So if I'm on the bracket, yours is going to look like this. Yours is the first page, and you'll see the second page has an example. So what I'm doing is I'm taking, for example, these two red songs are competing against one another to move on to the next round. So Colombia, Mi Encanto by Carlos Vives and Mi Ansiedad by Carla Morrison are competing against one another. I can click up here to the Mania Musical songs. And if I want to, I can actually click on this link. These are all lyric videos just to keep them nice and simple. So we're not voting based on the music video itself. I have the link for Mi Ansiedad if I wanted to, but I can also use the rating sheet that we did in class with the stars just to kind of help my decision. If I know that one of my songs has 1 star, I can probably assume that the other song would move on. We also do have the promo video here if you wanted to watch the short clips of the songs just to remind yourselves what they are. So I want Colombia Mi Encanto to move forward. The way I'm going to do that is I can either Control C to copy and Control V to paste, or I can right click, I believe on a Chromebook that is Alt click, and I can hit copy, and then I can hit right click again, and then I can hit paste. And I'm just going to drag that over to here, and you'll have my example so you can see where on the bracket they're supposed to go. I did also kind of put the spots on this blank one here just in case you need help figuring out who competes against who. Then I'm going to have Dime Como Quieres versus Nuestra Canción. I'm going to do Dime Como Quieres. So Control C, Control V. Desde el Corazón by Bad Bunny versus Estrella by Nicky Jam. Obviously, Bad Bunny is going to move forward for Sanira Fletcher's bracket. So I copy, I paste, and I drag. De Una Vez versus A Contracorriente. I think I'm going to go with A Contracorriente. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste. So for now, I'm just doing the left side of the bracket to show you, but you can see now the red is versing the orange. Colombia Mi Encanto is versing Dime Como Quieres for my bracket. Yours might be a different song. However, you're going to have in the second round, red versing orange, yellow versing green, teal versing blue, and purple versing pink. So I'm going to say Dime Como Quieres is going to move forward for me. And Bad Bunny is going to move forward for me. And I'm going to have these two versing each other. So when there's a vertical line going up and down, these are the ones versing each other, and the winner moves on to this line that's extended here. So I'm going to have Bad Bunny finishing that side, and then I would do the same thing over here with the brackets. Again, I do have the songs over here in case I need them, but everything else is going to be done on the student bracket. And once you are finished with the right side, you're going to have your left side semifinalist versus your right side semifinalist, and you're going to put the winner down here where it says ganador. Hopefully that helps.